NAVA acknowledges the Gadigal and Wangal peoples of the Eora Nation as the traditional custodians of the land on which this was filmed, and pay respects to First Nations communities, ancestors and elders.
My name is Elyas Alavi. I'm a visual artist and poet, currently based in Naarm, Melbourne. I'm originally from Afghanistan, in central part of the country, where majority of Hazara people lives. I work in different art forms, but mostly painting and installation. Recently, I've been doing more also video art and performance as well.
What has been a turning point in your career?
Moving from Adelaide to Naarm early last year, that would be a big turning point because in Naarm I met many new curators, many new artists and peers, which I learned from. Because you have a community which is very diverse. So in my case, my work talks a lot about political issues in my home country and my experiences in other places and also Australia. In a bigger community, some of the other artists have similar experiences, and so sharing those ideas and bouncing those ideas really it's a very healthy way of growing your art practice. And also refining the ideas you have and the mediums that you want to, for example, working on this new project.
What is something you wish you knew when you were starting out as an artist?
I would tell to my younger self would be to be more brave, to take more risks, and also know the importance of socializing, literally networking. It took me a very long time to realize how important it is to attend those, exhibition openings, for example, because you get to know about the opportunities, about the things that you will not per se learn at university, and you slowly learn how to talk about your work. Those conversations are very valuable.
How has NAVA's code of practice been useful to your work as an artist?
The first times I wanted to apply for a grant, I referred to NAVA code of practice, and now I work with other artists and collaborators, and usually I refer to NAVA's documents, so it's really helpful. It's really straightforward, and also to realize that you can pay yourself as well. When you running art workshops, you're saying, look, this is the fee for me, and this is based on NAVA, so it's very clear. Having the insurance, the liability insurance, is really important. It's just that peace of mind when you exhibiting spaces which they need that kind of insurance, so you know that you're covered.
What brings you joy in your work?
So my projects are usually very research-based, and it takes a while to research. Then there is a moment that you feel, actually this item or this quote or this word, there is something in it which can be possible turned to an artwork. I think that moment is the most joyful moment, as if like actually it's going to work, and you imagine it. I can visualize it. So moments like that is really amazing. Also, because my work talks about issues such as memory, displacement, and sexuality, considering my experiences and many of other friends' experiences, it is involve pain as well. So I feel, for me, the joy and pain is not, sometimes are on the same level. It's some works are difficult to work and think about, but very important.